Do you know that in China most people don't carry a wallet? They use their mobile phone to pay for everything. Food, shopping, public transport, flights, in fact almost everything. Previously, mobile payment was not an option for you as a tourist, as you would need to have a Chinese SIM card and a Chinese bank account. However, recently, big changes have been made. Now when you visit China, you can use your mobile payment app just like a local. You can link them with your bank account at home, meaning you do not need to go to a currency exchange, no need to carry large amounts of cash, nor worry about receiving the correct change. There are two main mobile payment apps in China, Alipay and WeChat. Let me show you how easy it is to set up Alipay as an example. 3 steps to get started with Alipay. Step 1. Search to download Alipay in the App Store or on its official website. Step 2. Open the app and register with your mobile phone number. Use the drop-down menu to select your country code. Enter the SMS verification number which will be sent to your registered mobile number. Step 3. Click the Add Now button and enter your bank card number. Success! Now you're ready to start spending. How do you make payments with Alipay? Well, there are 2 ways to do it depending on the merchant. 1. Tap and scan. Some merchants display a QR code at the counter. You press the scan button on Alipay to scan their QR code. You then enter the required amount and authorise your payment. 2. Tap and pay, receive. Other merchants have cashier machines set up, which they enter the payment amount for you. All you need to do is press the app's Pay Receive button. A one-time use-only QR code will then be generated on your phone. Let the merchant scan your QR code to take the payment. Now you can pay like a local, with merchants across China. Please note, there is a maximum limit on which you can pay per transaction and per day, so don't forget to bring along your MasterCard or Visa card for those bigger payments. Have a wonderful holiday in China.